Hi, welcome to the sixth and final part of the Spur gear housing in Fusion 360. First I want to create two more planes, so let's go back to the beginning and then move this to the end of the planes, yes. And I will need two more planes with a distance from that one with 21 and minus 21. So let's go for a plane with an offset, yes. First should be, I know it's not visible, but doesn't matter, 21. And another one with minus 21 distance. Let's rename this one to 21 and this one to minus 21. And let's hide. Maybe let's show them at least at the moment. Okay, so I don't need a copy of that solid because I cannot use thickness or thicken for faces of solids. Therefore I want to do it similar to the method I used in Catia. So let's move to this time in my construction, and I want to use offset surfaces. So let's go to surface, go to, where is it, create. I want to create offset surfaces, yes. I need one from this one with minus 6 millimeter. So to that direction, minus 6. And then another one from that one here, same direction, again minus 6. And also from this one, that one. Yeah, it goes already all around, that's great. And confirm, which should give me that body here, and I will need another offset surface from this one here, again in the negative direction, and this should be minus 1 millimeter. Yes, great. Let's hide that solid and show these here. Yeah. Okay, let's trim those surfaces. Let's go to trim, and this is the tool, and the outer part should be removed. Confirm, repeat that command. Now that face is the tool, and that small overlap should be removed like that, and confirm. Then go for the stitch command, and I want to stitch those two bodies together, and they should create a new solid like that. Great. Now let's move this to the end of the construction line here and proceed from this point on. Now I need fillets, 5 millimeter fillets. Well, there you go. On this edge and that edge, 5 millimeter. And then another one, again 5 millimeter on this edge. Great. Now I want to reuse some sketches, but I need new sketches. Can I go for a copy? Yes, but those sketches will not be fully defined, I suppose. Let's hide that body and switch to the sketches. Which sketch do I need? Maybe no, nope. I will need those 2 points, yes, and I will need those 2 circles, yes. But first I need a new sketch. So let's go to a new sketch. should be a 2D sketch on that's the right plane, and that would be the YZ plane. Okay, let's go for 2 new circles. I could snap here, but it's 3D sketch. I don't want a 3D sketch, so let's do it once more. Now I can't snap. That's the difference. Now I will have to bring in those 2 points. So go to, where is it? Project include this point and that point here. Confirm. Then I need a circle here with 80 millimeter diameter and another one. Let's do it in one sketch to make it quick and dirty with 85 millimeter diameter. Finish that sketch. Let's check if this is the wrong or right position. It's the right position, that's okay. Now I need 2 extrudes with those 2 circles up to those planes. So go for extrude, try to select it, and you could do this in one extrude. I do not recommend it, but it's okay. And I want to go up not to one side but to 2 sides, and the first one should go up to an object. That would be this one, and the second one should go up to an object as well, and that would be this one here, and it should be a new body. That's possible. So I got 2 new bodies. 1, 2. Great. Let's show our body, inner body. Yeah, that looks okay. And now we'll have to make 2 negative bodies, or 2 bodies, or 4 bodies, which I want to subtract from that body here. So let's hide all those solids. Now I want to use these sketches, and let's see if I can do it between those planes, between this one and that one, and between this one and that one. Is that the right one? Yeah, that's the 21 plane. Now let's go for another extrude, and I want to go for one side. That's okay, but I want to start not with the profile plane but from an object. I would start from this object and go up to that object, and the profiles, this one and that one. Looks okay. A new body, confirm. And then I want to use those. Let's hide it and bring back that sketch. That was sketch, I think that sketch here, and this sketch, yes. Now to the other side as well, so let's go for another extrude, and I want to start again with an object, and that's the object, and I want to go to an object, to this object. Let's select the profiles, select both of them like that, and confirm. Let's hide those sketches and show those 2 bodies and that one. And now I want to subtract those 2 bodies from this one. So go for combine. Target body would be this one here. The tool bodies are this one and that one, but I want to cut, and I don't want to keep the tools, so just confirm. Great. Let's add fillets, 10 millimeter on this edge, that edge, this one and that one, 10 millimeter. Now I can't do it like I did it in Siemens NX, so I want to emulate this or simulate that. Therefore I want to make a 5 millimeter fillet to get sort of a reference edge or a line. So let's select it here, go for 5 millimeter, and now I want to use a fillet with variable radius to simulate the fillet with hold or limit curve. So let's go for our fillet command, switch to variable, select the edge, okay, and then define some points. So go for the midpoint of that segment, the midpoint of this segment, and this one over here, and that one right here. Now I could drag this a little bit, and a little bit, so this might be 8 millimeter. Then this one might be 6.5. Let's go for 6 millimeter. This one could be 4 millimeter, and that one should be 6 millimeter. Let's take a look. Looks really good. You might have to add, not need, some more points, but I will do it with those 4 points. It's okay. Same on the other side, and of course you can delete that fillet here because it's not necessary. Let's go over here, and I don't need that fillet, the 5 millimeter, because I already know the values. So let's go for another fillet. Again, variable, select the edge, define the midpoint, the midpoint, the midpoint, the midpoint, then change the radius here to 8, this one to 6, next should be that one. Let's try to select it like that. Yes. Let's go for 4 millimeter. And the last one over here should be 6 millimeter as well. And confirm. Yeah, that looks really great. Now bring back those other solids. So I need this one, that one. One is missing, or not missing, but I did not do it. Okay. So I will need another extrude. Can I reuse a sketch? Not really. So I will draw a new sketch. So go for a sketch on the, that should be the XY plane. This one here. It's not a 3D sketch. I need a rectangle. I could go for a centered one. Yes. Let's snap here onto the origin. And this should be 30 by 80. Okay, finished that sketch. Now let's make an extrude, but it should start with an offset because this should be 1 millimeter too low. So let's go for an extrude. Select that last sketch here. That's already selected. Yes. It should start with an offset the offset would be in this direction at least 1 millimeter. Okay, and the end should be an object, this one, the plane at the top. Yes, and I want a new body. Confirm. Yes. Now let's make the fillets. 5 millimeter on this edge. It's still on variable, so switch back to constant and then select all 4 edges and go for 5 millimeter. Nice. Now I could unite those, so go for combine. Target body would be maybe this one, and I want to join them, this one, and of course that one. I don't want to keep the tools, so let's confirm. Now I can subtract this body from that one. So go for another boolean operation. Select the target, that would be this one, and I want to cut, and the tool would be this one here. And confirm. And I'm done, at least for today and for this series, because all the holes will be left for you to do. So I hope this was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would really help. You could follow me also on GrabCAD, Instagram, X, Facebook, and especially on LinkedIn Learning. So thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.